Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 26. Adverb of time. Let's learn English.
I'm having a birthday party next week. We are busy preparing for a nice one. Matt ordered the food yesterday. Betty started cleaning the house last week. Martin talked with the magicians last Wednesday. We will all buy party giveaways tomorrow. It's going to be a wonderful party. I'll send your invitation on Monday. I hope to see you there.
Do not forget to answer the question when, with these words.
Today. Yesterday. Tomorrow.
Tonight. Last week. Next week.
Here are some words to learn.
Points of time, definite. Now. Then. Today. Tomorrow. Tonight. Yesterday.
Frequency, definite. Annually. Daily. Monthly. Nightly. Weekly. Yearly.
Frequency, indefinite. Always. Often. Regularly. Seldom. Sometimes. Usually.
When did we play soccer?
We played soccer last month.
When did we eat cake at the coffee shop?
We ate cake at the coffee shop this morning.
When do we celebrate Father's Day?
We celebrate Father's Day annually, May 15th.
My mom went to the doctor yesterday.
John will go to his hometown tomorrow.
I was roaming in the market all day.
I will go to the park next month.
We went to school early.
Do not forget to answer the question when, with these words.
Today. Yesterday. Tomorrow.
Tonight. Last week. Next week.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Part 1.
Ready your pencil and paper. R.
You.
Ready.
Circle the adverb of time in each sentence below.
Number 1. They visited the temple yesterday.
The answer is yesterday. They visited the temple yesterday.
Number 2. Hurry up. The bus is leaving soon.
The answer is soon. Hurry up. The bus is leaving soon.
Number 3. I will visit my grandparents next month.
The answer is next month. I will visit my grandparents next month.
Number 4. I'm busy. I will talk to you later.
The answer is later. I'm busy. I will talk to you later.
Number 5. Diana arrived early today.
The answer is today. Diana arrived early today.
Quiz number 1.
Part 2.
Ready your pencil and paper. Are
You.
ready?
Fill in the blank using the correct adverb of time.
Number 1. Goldilocks went to the bear's house.
Goldilocks went to the bear's house yesterday.
Number 2. I will clean my house.
I will clean my house later.
Number 3. I will call you.
I will call you tomorrow.
Number 4. I have to leave.
I have to leave now.
Number 5. I will sleep early.
I will sleep early tonight.
Quiz number 2.
Part 1.
Ready your pencil and paper. Are
You.
ready?
Put the words in the correct order to make sentences. Write your answer on the space provided.
Number 1. Plays, often, Saturdays, Jacob, basketball, on.
Jacob often plays basketball on Saturdays.
Number 2. Swims, always, Jackie, in, summer.
Jackie always swims in the summer.
Number 3. Never, Janine, shopping, on, goes, Sundays.
Janine never goes shopping on Sundays.
Number 4. Late, sometimes, Justin, is.
Justin is sometimes late.
Number 5. Drives, usually, car, Edmund, his, school, too.
Edmund usually drives his car to school.
Quiz number 2.
Part 2.
Ready your pencil and paper. Are
You.
ready?
Rewrite the sentences with adverbs of frequency.
Number 1. I play basketball in my free time.
I never play basketball in my free time.
Number 2. Liza drinks coffee.
Liza sometimes drinks coffee.
Number 3. I comb my hair. I always comb my hair. Number 4. We go to the mall.
We rarely go to the mall.
Number 5. They go to the opera.
They often go to the opera.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.